Alright, so look at this, y'all. This is why paying the minimum due is never the good thing. So you can see here, one of my clients sent me a screenshot. They in credit card debt. Their interest on their car is $227. But look at the top. The minimum payment is $318. Meaning if they just make the minimum payment, only $91 is actually going toward the principal balance of whatever they owe. I believe this is a $10,000 credit card. Maybe it's more. I didn't get the specifics, but imagine owing $10,000. You're maxed out on the credit card, and you're paying $318 each month, but in actuality, only $91 is actually being pulled from that balance. We do some math on this. Let's say this is a $10,000 credit card, and they're making the $318, but only $91 is going to it. It would take you 109 payments without using the card ever again to pay this back. 109 payments equates to a little over 9 years. You'll be paying back this credit card for 9 years. And in total interest, you would have paid, the mathematical breakdown, you would end up paying over $20,000 in interest at that rate. I don't know what that interest rate of this credit card is or things like that, but imagine maxing out your credit card, only being able to pay the minimum due balance, and over time, when you actually pay back that credit card, you have paid the bank more than twice as much the value of the credit card. That's how banks make money, and that's why it's never good to max out your credit cards unless you're purchasing things that are gonna make money.